How to turn on or turn off camera composition guides on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here click on this four dot icon and click on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, so scroll down and search. You will see composition guide is here. So if you want to turn on composition guide, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see composition guide is turned on. So if you want to turn off composition guide, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see composition guide is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off composition guide from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off camera composition guide on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.